If you've recently purchased a mobility ball set from us here at Resolve Wellness, I'm going to just show you the different tools that come in that set and how to best utilize them for when you're feeling tense at home and how to use that to relieve that tension. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is this Knobby ball. It's a nice wide diameter, which means that it's going to be able to access a lot of tissue kind of all at once. But the wider diameter also means that it's going to have a broader surface area contact on the parts of your body that you're utilizing it on, meaning that it's going to be great for larger surface areas. It's also going to provide a little bit more broad-based and more superficial tension relief versus a smaller item that's going to be a little bit more spot specific, maybe if you're utilizing that for more of a trigger point in your body. So for this guy, it's got nice little knobs or undulations on it, which also helps to give a little bit of tissue grip. When you're utilizing this for, let's say, rolling out your quadricep, it's gonna stay in place, not just because it's gonna grip to your skin, but it's also gonna grip a little bit to the surface that you're utilizing it on. I definitely recommend utilizing this on a firm or hard surface, because when you utilize this on a soft surface, it's actually going to press into the cushion, or the force will be absorbed into that softer surface instead of being absorbed into the tissues of your body. I will say as a caveat to that, that if you're really, really sore, or if you've never utilized these types of tools before, utilizing this on a mildly soft surface, like a firm couch or a firm mattress, might help to just give you a gentler introduction to the pressure while you kind of get used to the idea or the sensation of pushing this into that tight area of your body. And then you can work your way up to utilizing this on a firmer surface. This ball is really great, again, for soft, broad areas of muscle. Think quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes. This is going to be really great for. You can even put this ball up against the wall to utilize this for rolling through the pecs, rolling through areas along the back of parallel to your spine. And then you can also utilize this for your calves and maybe even for the bottoms of your feet. Again, you want to use this on kind of areas that have good muscular tissue, because it's going to push into those areas, and again, very broadly. So if you've got kind of smaller arms like I do, this may not be the best option for pushing into those tissues. You may want to use a smaller surface. But again, if you're utilizing this on big areas of muscle, this is going to be a great tool for you.